Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick little natural passion twist type of look. This is what we are rocking today. You guys, this style is so super lightweight, easygoing, carefree, quick, like everything that you need for summer, girl. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. It's gonna be a voiceover per usual. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, we're gonna be using this Zurisis 3X Water Wave hair. I literally just went to my beauty supply store and picked this up. I have been seeing this hair for quite a while, and they actually have it in like this really pretty like rose pink color, but I chickened out, girl, and went ahead and just did a 1B. So this hair is really, really soft, but it's not silky. It's a really nice natural texture. I love the curl pattern, the weight, everything. It's really perfect for this style that we're going to be doing today. So of course I went ahead and washed my hair. Did I blow dry it? I don't even remember. I want to say yes. I feel like I had it cornrowed and then it was like blow dried. So yes, I did that. And then I went ahead and divided my hair into my sections, and I did do the rubber band method for this style. So I parted all of my hair first, put all the rubber bands in, all that kind of stuff. Of course, you guys already know I'm using jam today, and we're also going to be using our crochet beater. So you basically just put the beater under the rubber band and then just pull the hair through, and then I pull mine through completely so that I literally have one piece on each side. And then what I did was make sure that it was uneven so that I could have a nice like curly piece at the end. So it's just kind of like off-centered, as you guys can see. Now you can actually pull through both pieces, but that's gonna leave you with kind of like a little knot at the top. It's not gonna be super bulky, but if you don't want that knot at all, then this is gonna be the way to do it. Now, I will say on some of them, if you look closely, you can see the rubber band peeking through, but like the hair is black, my hair is black, the rubber band is black, so it's not like an eyesore. You can't see it. If you're like really close up, then you can see it. But I actually know how to do the invisible knot method. Well, not invisible knot, girl. I actually know how to do the invisible method where you don't do the rubber band at all, and I actually ended up doing that this week. So I've had this hairstyle in for a little over a week, and I went ahead and did the invisible part down the middle because I wanted to retwist those. So let me know if you guys want a tutorial on how to do that. I feel like I don't know if I have one of those on my channel. I've been doing the rubber band method lately, but yeah, I do know how to do it without. So let me know if you guys want to know how to do that. I can do a video on it in the future, but for today, we're going to be doing the rubber band method. So as you guys can see, I'm just continuing to pull the hair through. It's really easy. This hair is very lightweight, which I really appreciate. And as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I did use the little braiding, the like wooden braid thing where you can like pull your braiding hair and just like hang it on there to, you know, be able to move quicker. I picked that up from Amazon. It was super inexpensive. I definitely recommend that you guys get one. I just like it. I just like to be able to put my hair on that and just be, you know, ready to go. I don't have to keep opening packs, cutting off the rubber bands and the ties and stuff and like splitting it and all that. It's just really quick and easy. So you guys saw that I actually put, when I was dividing it on that thing, I divided it in two pieces because I thought I was going to use two pieces per section, but I actually did not. I only used one piece of hair per section. Now, as you guys saw in the beginning, my hair is very, very thick. So if you want your twist to be the same size as mine, but your hair is on the thinner side, you may want to go ahead and use two pieces, and that will give you a fuller look. But if you have thick hair, girl, one piece is going to be enough. Okay, you don't need it to be super bulky, super heavy. Like I promise you, it's going to look like mine if your hair is thick and you only use one piece. So in total, I actually picked up 3 full bags of hair, but this is a 3X pack. So that means in each bag of hair, you get 3 little bundles. So in total, I used about 5 bundles. So I used less than 2 full bags of hair. I believe the hair was maybe like $9.99. I don't know. So that's definitely less than like $20 to complete this whole style. And with these twists, you could literally wear these forever, you guys. Like, if you wanted to wear these for like 2-3 months, you definitely could, as long as you know how to do it yourself. You're always going to be able to refresh your part, refresh your edges, you know, just apply a little fresh jam and retwist those, and girl, brand new. Okay, so I absolutely love this style. Like I said, it's very lightweight. It is a 3X pack. I would recommend, even if you decide to use 2 strands per section, 3 packs will still get you, will still be enough. So I would just recommend that you go ahead and pick up 3 packs. And then if you don't end up using it all, you can have it, you know, for the next time you install the style. Because personally, I just hate running out of hair, girl. I'm not trying to run back to the beauty supply store because I ran out of hair. Like, I would rather just have too much. So yeah, it's really quick to put these in. It took me a little while to part the hair, just because I really be trying to get my parts, you know, nice and straight, because that's what makes it look, you know, nice and like crisp, like it's professional or something. So yeah, I can't tell you exactly how long, girl, a few hours to do this, but it's not like I was rushing or anything like that. So yeah, it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to do this. It's lightweight, it's pretty quick, like I said, and yeah, I'm loving this style. So So you guys, this is the final result. I went ahead and added just some little jewelry, little bead things onto it, just for a little extra, you know, razzle dazzle or whatever. I always add these onto my twist and braids. I just like the way that it looks. And yeah, it's pretty long. You guys can see by me kind of like offsetting it, it definitely came all the way down to my waist. Yeah, definitely like past my waist, honestly. But yeah, I think this style is just so cute, effortless, easy, fun for summer. And I am wearing this super cute orange dress because I'm actually headed out to a little brunch/pool day. So if you guys are into vlogs, definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you are already subscribed, girl, just make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when the vlog goes up later this week. Also, let me know in the comment section down below what other hairstyles you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.